AGH Supply is the hospitality industry's most trusted partner. Founded with an experience of more than a decade, AGH Supply is known for understanding a hotel's needs. Our aim is to provide unrivaled customer service with our large, cost-effective portfolio of relevant products. AGH Supply's new 16-inch metal base bed frame is a game changer in the hotel industry. This is an innovative DIY, easy to assemble bed with minimal tools. It is portable and designed for the utmost comfort of your guests. A wooden bed base most often suffers from bed bug infestation. These metal bed frames completely eliminate that hassle. The heavy-duty steel furthers the bed's durability too. A unique factor of this bed is that it does not require a box spring. Thus, the maintenance and the hassles of time and again replacing the box spring are eliminated. This makes the metal bed frame a one-time only investment. The netted frame is designed for higher comfort and can hold weight up to 2,000 pounds or 900 kgs. Another unique factor of this bed is its ergonomic extension. With the help of the mattress extender, you can also convert the full-size bed into a queen size. AGH Supply's metal base bed frame is a perfect combination of price, quality and comfort, setting it apart from competitors in the marketplace. AGH Supply. We understand your needs.